Hi, this is Maithili. I am pursuing my MTech at Vailtech Technical University. My project title is Combined Proxy Re-encryption and Key Policy Attribute Based Encryption in HASB for Access Control. My domain is Cloud Computing and it is under the guidance of Ms. M. Dilsat Fatima, Assistant Professor, Department of IT. My main objective is to increase the performance of the cloud based on this security issues, and it is based on the customized hierarchical attribute based solutions using key policy attribute based encryption and proxy re-encryption techniques in order to enhance the security features. The abstract includes this access control privileges. This access control privileges is giving this access to the limited access to the users and data owners. Data consumers are both present in this criteria. Data owners, they encrypt the files and store them in the cloud for usage by the data consumers. The proxy re-encryption technique is used. The access privileges are given by the method of access policy tree in a hierarchical order. They can access the content only if they can satisfy all this tree hierarchy. Key distribution, which is made difficult in the previous algorithms, and it is made easier here, and the regeneration of the damaged or colluded data is done here. This literature survey is made on key policy attribute based encryption, attribute set based encryption, fine grained access control in cloud computing. This existing system is which includes the authority to be online always to encrypt and distribute the keys. The updation which is made difficult in the by making changes in the private keys. Regeneration of the colluded or lost data which is impossible to recover, and the session expiration for the authorized user is also an issue in this previous algorithm. Proposed system which includes the key distribution which is done with the help of domain authority. Each user is assigned a key structure which specifies the attribute associated with the decryption key. The consumers can access the file if and only if they satisfy the hierarchical access policy tree structure. The expiration time for the authorized user is given so that the regeneration of the private key is done in case of the revocation. This colluded data is regenerated by the method of customized HASB, which include the key policy attribute based encryption and proxy re-encryption techniques by the data owner and the public key of the recipients. This is my architecture diagram, which includes the cloud OS. I am using iOS for uploading this, and domain authority which has the privileges under of trusted authority. Trusted authority is the parent domain authority. Module description, 4 modules are present here. Cloud architecture designing, domain authority check and attribute based encryption, the shared resources and the trusted authority, and regeneration of the colluded data. Cloud architecture designing, which is implemented using the hybrid model. I am doing this under this private networks. Domain authority check and attribute based encryption, shared resources and trusted authority, regeneration of the colluded data. This is my screenshot, which includes the iOS, which is a virtual desktop. Here user registration is done. This is the home window of a particular user. They are going to launch an application. They are entering as a HR. The HR is the one who have the highest privilege. There is a file upload, file download, file list, request for the file approval, and then here we are uploading a file. And this, after uploading, the encrypted key is generated and is issued to the user. This is the list of files. As he is a HR, he can view all this files of TL and employee also. Hereby he is entering the approved file name. So encrypted file content. Here he is entering the file of the file to be deleted. Here the file is deleted successfully. Intrusion form, here as an intruder we are going to hack a data. Hereby the download got failure because of this key unmatch. Here we are entering as into the server trusted domain authority. Hereby the file approval is done, and then authentication check, authentication form, authentication check, user revocation. User revocation, once we give the revocation, then we are once we are revocated, and if we want to enter inside, it's impossible here.